Welcome back. Don't drink and drive. Seems like not all understand this message. A car turtled at Margao on late night on Saturday. Driver and co-driver of the car seemed to be under the influence of alcohol. Fortunately, they escaped with minor injuries and were shifted to hospital. The car is partially damaged. Margao police has registered a case of negligent and rash driving.
The accident occurred at around 1 to 1:30 at night on Saturday. A Toyota car banged on the footpath and then landed in the nearby fields next to Margao KTC bus stand road. The front portion of the car caught fire in the accident.
आणि मागीर ॲम्ब्युलन्स ही फायर ब्रिगेड येयल्या 15-20 मिनटां
उच पेटलो तर गाडयेक
पळय गाडये उच पेट्टा म्हणून व्हडलो जालो मागीर लोकांनी वचून सकयल वचून ताका सेफ केले.
The lady labour who witnessed accident says that both the driver and co-driver were under influence of alcohol.
क्या हुआ गाड़ी को
क्या हुआ ने वो इधर से क्या हुआ वो बहुत टाइट था ना वो क्या किया उधर से स्लो लाके क्या किया उधर से बहुत टाइट था वो मैं वो डूब करने में हमें डर गया हमें हमको डर रहा था ना हमें डर आने में उधर गया हमें वो देख रहा था मैं देखने में पुलिस आई के वो दोनों को भी लेके गया.
आग कैसा लगा उसको
आग वो टायर बोलता ना वो टायर ट्यूब करके वो आग लगा वो.
Both driver and co-driver escaped with minor injuries and are admitted in hospital. Margao police has registered a case of negligent and rash driving. Savio dies for Prudent.
A postal cover and a plaque was unveiled for a road at Dandora, Kukolim in memory of beloved theatrist Anthony Dessa. Theatre Academy of Goa in coordination with Kukolim municipality organized the event. Prince Jacob said they have plans to come forth with a postal cover of Konkani films on completion of 65 years.
आज Theatre Academy of Goa आणि कुंकोलीम म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल हांचे जोड पालवान आतांच आमी पोस्टल स्टॅम्प उक्तें केलें. एंथनी देसा आमचो फामाद तियात्रीस्ट हाचें नांव आनी आयज आमकां एक संदी मेवता दांदोरा ज्या गांवांत तो जल्मलो ताचो गांव ताच्या गांवांत एंथनी देसाचें नांव घालपाक.
Anthony Dessa was a great singer and an actor. He left behind memories of his great acting and soulful singing. He died of brief illness on 10th July 1969. He was the son of Kunkoli. Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Margao Shri 2015 bodybuilding competition attracted many bodybuilders not only from Goa but from other states of Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This is the third edition of this event. Rohit Shetty from Maharashtra won the title. Guest posing by Mr. Asia was the major attraction.
मिस्टर इंडिया कॉम्पिटिशन टायटल मारली त्यानंतर पोजिंगसाठी गोव्यामध्ये आलेलो आहे प्रथम. त्यामुळे एक गोव्याची आणि माझी एक वेगळं अट्रॅक्शन आहे, एक वेगळी आठवण आहे. चॅम्पियन ऑफ चॅम्पियनची सुरुवात जी माझ्या लाईफमध्ये आहे ती गोव्यामधून सुरू झालेली होती.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.